Catch the wave of creativity and cash in. Have you ever toyed with the idea of cashing in on your design prowess? Enter the Canva Freelancer Edition, your passport to online earnings doing what you truly enjoy. Imagine being rewarded for crafting visually striking social media posts, logos that stop viewers in their tracks, and presentations that steal the show, all from your cozy nook at home. The cherry on top? You're the boss of your own rates. With Canva Freelancer Edition, your talent is your income. Step into a vibrant community of flourishing designers who've turned their passion into paychecks. It's more than a job, it's a lifestyle. Setting up your Canva freelancer profile is as easy as pie. Display your portfolio, flaunt your skills, and let clients find you. So, why the wait? Plunge into the realm of online earnings with Canva Freelancer Edition. Unleash your creativity, dictate your own timetable, and watch the cash roll in. Hop on over to